Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I only signed up for $12.99 a month, if I'm not mistaken. I signed up for it because I kind of like the feeling of having a box in your mail every month and a surprise kind of thing, you know, if you're like the type of girl. So this is what it looks like. Maybe if it's like the $25 or $50, it's like a box, but since it's only $12.99, so it's just a small bag. When I open it, I get the bag. So I have 5 products here. First is I'm gonna show you this is a blending brush, I guess. It looks like this. So let's open it up. Farah, like this. Oh, I like it. I like dense blending brush. Oh, I love that. And then next is kind of like a body lotion. I think it's a lotion. This. So poreless. I don't know how to say that. It says coconut plus plumeria and silky body butter. Oh, I think it's a lotion. It smooths, hydrates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes all skin types. So I'm so excited to smell this. Okay, so next I have 2. I think I have, I have Tart Gloss. Oh my god, it's a sail away. So this is what it looks like. Okay, let's swatch it out. Swatch it out. Very pigmented. Oh my god. This Auto Balm. So I'm guessing it's a eyeshadow. It's an eyeshadow. Ooh. It's an eyeshadow. So this is what it looks like. So let's swatch it. Oh my god, it's very pigmented. Oh my god. This doesn't have a smell, which I like. No, this is the eyeliner. It's called the Ciate. Ciate, is that how you say it? Ciate Fierce Flicks. So I like this one para mag-cut eye there. And it's very pigmented. Oh, I love this. I feel like tama lang na yung kinuha ko is $12.99 lang because I don't think I can use this for like in 1 month. And I personally don't wear makeup when I'm at work because I wear mask all the time. Yeah, so I got a new BH Cosmetics. This is na-open ko na siya, guys, because I got really excited. So I get that. I got 4 things in this box, and I spent $50 in this whole box. That's how cheap they are. I got this. I'm so excited for this one. It's 14-piece brush set with cosmetic case. You open it, so it has this gold zipper and it says BH Cosmetic. So the bag has this, parang may ano siya, parang may logo siya ng BH Cosmetic. And then here comes the brushes. I love smelling things. Yung older brush. Hindi ko na maisa-isa, guys, because oh my god, aabutin na ng isang oras ang video na to. They send it like this. So they send it like this. Ang ganda ng wrapper. Parang pa-fancy-fancy siya. So they send it like this, and then when you open it, ganyan. Ito na! Like all my favorite palette is here. Open it like that. It will. Okay, so it came with a plastic thing that says matte shimmer, you know, like this. It says matte shimmer metallic. on to the second product, which is this. Ta-da! It's called Take Me Back to Brazil. So, I like the packaging. It's paper. This one is plastic. The other one is plastic, but this one is paper. It's very colorful. It says here 35 color shadow palette. So I'm gonna take this orange color here. Oh my god. Guys, this is so pretty. Look. It's so pretty, you guys. And guess how much is this? It's $4. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Share ko lang sa inyo, not to brag. Because hindi naman talaga ako mahilig sa mamahaling makeup. Minsan yung mga mahal na makeup, binibigyan lang yung mga kapatid ko, like my older sisters. But other than that, I don't want to spend any expensive makeup. Thank you so much for watching.